So guys, Ghost Hlubi posted this video on his TikTok account. Le video yakhe lana benoGugu, his new girlfriend. Allegedly, we don't know. It's not confirmed. And guys, people had a lot to say because really abantu all the time. They always have something to say. Some of them, my comments were positive, some of them were negative. Let's go through them together. But first thing engizoyisho ukuthi damn, they look so good together. I hope this is not just content bayajola ngempela. So lona uthena Ghost skinny jeans and then wafaka ama-crying images. So ngicabanga ukuthi ufuna ukuthi mhlampe skinny jean asimfanele uGhost. Angazi, maybe that's his or her opinion. Yeah, but guys, come on. He looks okay, man. Athi omunye bro was suffering. Like, how do you know that? Oqala uGugu, she's not akekho mkhulu, and uGhost he looks like he's tall and he's not small, he's not skinny. So unawa amandla nje futhi he looks like unamandla nje futhi amaningi. So how do you know that he was suffering? Because they look just fine. Hey people, deep down uyamsinda. Okay, I should see ngibona indlela amqukule ngayo ukuthi ngathi uyasinda, but I don't think uyasinda. Kodwa phela angazi, nami ke ngiphawule kakhulu ngoba ngaze ngimphakamise uGugu. Asazi umuntu owazi ukuthi uyasinda noma akasindi uGhost. Thina abanye nje asazi. Athi omunye, you all visited her country. So lona ukhuluma ngale ndaba yale video ya Gugu uGhost embuza ukuthi which country do you want to go to? What's Cape Town? So lona ukhuluma indaba yalokho nje ngesi-entertain. We're gonna move to the next one. Athi poor Sima. Guys, why are you feeling sorry for uSima? Ubani othe uSima lento eyenzakalayo imphatha kabi? Obviously phela vele ngobona i-ex yakho inenye intombi vele ngeke uze kuhlale kahle, kodwa phela it's not that deep. I'm sure like usamove on nayo uSima ukuthi akakavezi boyfriend yakhe nje unayo noma akanayo. I'm sure she has moved on. It's life. Athi lona, I know they are acting, but I just can't prove it. I wonder when it comes to Ghost, you can never know. You will never tell, like, because he does a lot of pranks. Asazi ngempela shame, asazi noma it's just content, noma kuyadlalwa. Mina shame indlela abafanelana ngakhona. I so wish this was real bandla, because I bahle shame. I'm not gonna lie. And into ebuhlungu ukuthi lo mdlalo abayidlalayo, what if kuba khona ukhechayo and then yo nkosi yami yazini asazi. Let's just hope it's real. Ay. Wow, you guys look good together, honestly. Oh my gosh, I agree with this comment 100%. They look so good together. And yazi uGugu indlela, the way she looks, mangabe umbhekile ingakasho next, she looks like those mean girls and stuff. But when you masumbhekile like buka ama-video kambe ngiyambona ukuthi she's just a cool girl, you know. She's just so chilled nje, happy nje, right. I just hope bayajola ngempela badlana. Yeah, no, people don't want to see others happy. So lona ngicabanga ukuthi comment yakhe uyibhekise kulamanye ama-comments are negative under this post. That is so true. People are just haters for no reason. How do y'all do this running thing? Do you say, baby, run, let me chase you? I'm asking for a friend. I should when I was yenze content when should I was yenze content. Yabo mhla wayenze content uzobona ukuthi kwenziwa kanjani. Ay shame. So abanye ke bebekhalela nje ucameraman ukuthi hayi bandla kuma-angle. Phela ucameraman mawukuthi uqashiwe ukuthi enze umsebenzi wakhe, akukho okunye azokwenza phela vele kuzomela enze lokho akumele akwenze ukuze i-content ibe right, yabo, ibe dope. So yeah, ungamkhaleli, maybe he or she's getting paid for kuba cameraman. Yeah, and as much as maningi ama negative comments, ana positive futhi now akhona maningi lo uthi you guys look good together. Shame. Yeah, I totally agree. I just hope it's real. It's not just content. Angazi ukuthi into ngizisho angaki because I've been saying this. I mean it. Ngiphica ngumuntu wami ogowayo. Ayike babes, mina angazi ukuthi ubani ogowayo. Mhlambe ufuna ukuthi uGhost uyagowa. Mina I don't think uGhost uyagowa. uGhost he's just a boy. Okay, let me call him a boy. He's just a guy who's business minded. It's all about making money, content and making money. He's smart. Mina ngimbona nje as a young, smart man who's business minded. Ukuthi ushutha i-content namantombazana ahlukahlukene doesn't mean ukuthi uyagowa. He's making content because he want to make money. He's a business young man. Mina, that's how I see it. It has nothing to do with ugowa or basela anyone. Okay, this is the last comment I'm going to share with you guys. Utilona, first one to comment, I wish you were holding Sima like that. Shame, shuthi sorry ngoba unfortunately, guys, phela kuyajolwa kubuye kuhlukane. It's part of life. Yabo, wena ngabe mhlawumbe ubuyithanda i-relationship yabo, kodwa bona babonile ukuthi i-relationship yabo it's not working anymore. That is why they decided to part ways. So shuthi sorry. Alright guys, that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe on this channel because kumnandi. See you later.
Yeah.